Guys, good evening and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm actually going to be telling you how you can start affiliate marketing with your phone in 4 ways. Okay, in 4 steps you're going to be learning exactly how you can start affiliate marketing with your phone. Okay, so by the end of this video you will know exactly what you are going to do. So now, before we start, let us quickly go through what affiliate marketing means. So now, as you can see it here, affiliate marketing is a performance based marketing model where an affiliate earns a commission for promoting a company's product or services. So now, what this actually means is that a company, yes, just like a company, you will get paid by promoting another person's product or selling another person's digital product online, and that is how they get paid. So let's quickly go down. Affiliates use unique traffic tracking links to direct customers to a merchant site, and they receive a commission for sales, sign-ups, or other action guaranteed through their link. This arrangement allows businesses to expand their reach without an upfront investment in advertisement and helps affiliates monetize their online audience. So now what this actually means here is that they are being given a unique link, that is affiliate. Once you get started, which is I'm going to tell you how you can get started. Once you get started, that you are going to be given a unique link to a customer's website. Yes, the link that you are going to access the merchant site. So whenever they make payment for the product that they are getting for, you earn a commission from it. Okay, that is it. You actually earn a commission from what they are saying. So now let's quickly go up to what it means. So now the meaning of the merchant. A merchant is a business that wants to sell its products or services, and yes, that is how it works. The merchant, they are like the company that actually wants to sell out their products to people, and they will give them the commission of what they are going to be earning. So now affiliate, a person or company like a blogger, influencer, or YouTuber who promotes the merchant's products. Down, that is actually what I mean by the affiliate. So now this is where the affiliate marketing comes in. Like, you are the one now to just actually promote the product. They have already created the product, done everything useful to the product. So now your job is just to find a useful product and give out to the customer, who are actually the end users, that once they click your unique affiliate link and make payment, you actually earn a commission from the money being paid. Okay, so now let's quickly get started. That is actually the first step on what you should know. You quickly need to know what affiliate marketing means. So now the second step is about getting your niche. Okay, it's about getting your niche. So now I know many of you will be asking, what is a niche? So now these are like the specific type of product that we actually sell out to people. These are the type of product that we sell out to people. Maybe it can be a make money online niche, a health niche, relationship, fitness, and there are so many niche online that are selling now. Okay, so what you actually have to do is just know the area of niche that you love. Like, you know what you love doing, what you are good at. So once you go online, you check it, and once excuse me, once you see it, then you will get started with your niche. And for you to know about, there are 3 niches that are selling best currently, which is actually the make money online niche, and the relationship niche, and health and wellness niche. These are actually the 3 niches that are really high in demand. Like, they are really large in demand, and people are actually looking for these niches. So now, before you actually get started to affiliate marketing, you actually have to choose a niche. Don't worry, in my next video I'll be telling you guys the list of niches and what they do and how to go about it. So now the third one is to find an affiliate platform. So now this is actually where we'll get started. This is what the third step we are going to be earning. So now what this actually means is just you find an affiliate platform. You find a company that pays for promoting their product. Like you can see, find an affiliate program that aligns with your interest and your audience. You can join directly with a company or through an affiliate network like Share a Sale, ClickBank, or Amazon Associates. We have Digistem, we have Xpartner, we have Seller, and so many other affiliates networks. So you will just have to choose anyone and you sign up for free, and then you get started with it. Once you sign up, then you get started, you get your unique link, and then you get started to be promoting their product. So now the last step for you to know is actually to promote your product. Yes, you have to promote the product. So what you actually have to do now is just to look for any suitable social media handle that you love, either blog, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and so many other social media handle. You just have to select a one that suits you and you get started with it. Just have to promote their product there and you get paid online with it. Then you now build trust with your audience by only recommending products. You see what I mean? Recommending products you genuinely believe in, and say give out your affiliate links to them, and whenever they make a payment, then you get paid for it. Don't worry, in my next video I'll be showing you how you are going to register for an affiliate with your own self, like by your own self. How you are going to register by yourself. Okay, so now this video is basically about what affiliate marketing means, how it works, and how it's actually going to do everything for you. So please, if you found this video helpful, all I want you to do is just to subscribe to my channel and follow me up for my next video I'll be dropping for you guys. Okay, see you guys in another day. I love you all.